Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to fund your PayPal account. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go and be opening up the official PayPal website right here, paypal.com if you're not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page right here. So in this home page, we can get started in opening up our account. So if you don't already have an account, you can go and sign up for an account in the upper right corner. And if you have an account, you can just go and log in. So after logging into your account, you'll be greeted by this home page where we can take a look at all the info regarding our account, such as our PayPal balance. We have our recent activity right here. We can send money, request money, and so on. And now we can get started. So basically, guys, if you want to fund your account, you have multiple options of doing so. You can either fund your account by yourself by adding a credit card or a bank that you want to use. As you can see here, we have an option of adding a card or a bank that's going to enable you to link a credit card that you want to use, or you can link your bank account that you want to use by providing all the info regarding that bank or your card and so on. That's going to enable you to connect it and then add money directly from your card. If not, guys, you can go ahead and request money from somebody else. People can send you money if you want to fund yourself that way. If somebody wants to send you money, you can request from here, or you can go ahead and just tell them your email address that they can input and then send money to your account. You have multiple ways, but those are the two main ways, guys. Basically, you can either fund yourself by adding some source of payment, or somebody else can send you money, and once you receive money, it's going to appear right here and you'll be able to take a look at it. And that's how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.